Good morning to all of you. Today we are going to start the calculation of mean in individual series through direct method. So for this, first of all you will have to write the formula to calculate mean from direct method, and that is sigma x upon n. Sigma x means whatever items have been given in form of x, its total will be taken. So in this example, ages of these peoples have been given in years, so we will make its total first. Sigma x is equal to, so as per the total of these things, the total will be 135. So to calculate the mean, 135 divided by n, where n is the number of items available, means 1 2 3 4 5 6 divided by 6. When we will divide, then we will find the mean value of this observation, and that will be equal to 22.5 years. This is the way how we can calculate the mean in individual series by direct method. The second method is shortcut method. Shortcut method. So for this, first we will write the formula of shortcut method, and that is x bar is equal to a plus sigma dx upon n, where dx is equal to x minus a and a is equal to assumed mean, and this assumed mean will be taken from the observations which are available, and then we will calculate the value of dx in the observation, and then its total will be taken. So look at the process. First we will make a line over here, and then we will calculate the value of dx. We assume that the value of assumed mean is 25. It is assumed. So for the dx, x minus a. So the first value will be 10 minus 25. The value will be minus 15. Then minus 10. Then minus 5. 0. Plus 5. And then plus 10. Now, as per the formula, we will calculate sigma dx. So let's calculate it. Value of sigma dx is equal to 10, 5, 15. So 15 will be cancelled, and minus 15 will be the value. Then put the values in the formula. So x bar is equal to, a means 25 plus sigma dx, the value is minus 15, divided by total number of items 1 2 3 4 5 6, that will be 6. 25, and when we will divide this value, then it will be is equal to 6 2s are 12, then 6 5s are 30. 25 minus 2.5, 22.5 years will be the mean value. I think it will be clear to all of you that how we can calculate the value of mean in individual series by direct method and by shortcut method. Thank you.